large part of these communication systems of how we bring our corporation together, a big part is called CRM, or Customer Relationship Management. And so CRM is one of those digital systems that's emerged out of this push right now regarding digital marketing. So today we're going to talk about what the CRM is, how does it work, give you an example, and talk a little bit about customer analytics. It's a link. It's a link between your customer and also your enterprise, and how does it fit in. Now we know that the sales journey is about getting customers, keeping customers, and growing customers. But so we're going to be exchanging information. How does that information all come together? And so why should I have a CRM system? Well, it lowers my marketing costs, I get more sales, I improve service, I get customer retention. And not only that, by having a record and understanding of what my customer does, then I can start to upsell them, cross-sell them and all. We talked about enterprise resource systems, and CRM is one of the big parts of it, along with supply chain management and financial management and all those other pieces. So this is how it fits in to your ERP. And specifically, this is what a CRM is. It's about your marketing, support, sales, and how you're going to process orders. So, the point to the digital journey is that you have the ability to attract a lot of people. These people become your targets, and you can retarget them. And then you want to land and convert them. Now, here's the big problem our entrepreneurs have. Supposing you generated a lot of excitement and got 1,000 people giving you your emails. How are you going to easily manage all that data? What, you're going to put all in an Excel file? No, you need a piece of software that'll do it. And that's what a CRM system is about. Excuse me. Also, at the end of that journey, these are my good customers. How do I know who those customers are, how they're satisfied? And we want them telling other people about us and to recommend us to others. So when we look at this digital journey, these are some of the metrics that we look at. And these are all related to our CRM system. Our CRM system will give us this information. And so, in terms of our needs, probably the biggest need of all, besides organizing this data and all, is scale. CRMs are how we scale. The other thing we need is consistency. When I get a new customer, how do we act? What is it that we do? So a CRM system, for example, after somebody makes their first purchase, within 2 or 3 months, we'll be sending them a message to follow up with them. So it's about collecting data, analyzing data, interpreting data, and applying that data. CRM helps you in terms of time, your sales cycles, speeding it up, what it is you're producing that's actually useful to the customer. And by doing that, what that creates is efficiency, which means lower costs, higher output, which means more profit. And so it helps me manage my pipeline. I get intelligence about my customer. I find out who they are, where they live, how often do they buy. And that's how I get my efficiency. Now, some examples of the things it does is it helps me track hierarchy. And that's, when emails are sent, once opened and responded. It gives me a contact list. And it also gives me a database where I can start formulating ad campaigns and that sort of thing. Also, abandoned carts, elements like that. That's an opportunity to make money. So, when a customer comes into a CRM system, internally I have templates. I have templates showing where there's a flow. And why are those so important? They're so important because I get consistency. Every customer is pretty much treated the same. It saves me cost when I have processes that are repeatable, that I know that I work, And not only that, it simplifies the process. Again, you have inefficiency if you're sitting around going, oh, what is it that we're supposed to do next? So your CRM strategy is just like any other strategy. What is my vision? What are my objectives that come out of my vision? What's the strategy? Who am I going to have go execute this? How are we going to measure the strategy? Remember, strategy has metrics. And then what are my priorities? And finally, through all that, I can make a roadmap. And so we'll talk about the rest of CRM in the next video.